Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 22A from chapter Heights and Distances. So starting with question number 1, the height of a tree is √3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Now there is a tree, there is the shadow of the tree and there is the sun. Now let's consider a tree. There is a ट्री, forgive my drawing, ट्री का शैडो कास्ट हो रहा है. शैडो विल बी ऑन द ग्राउंड, शैडो विल बी सीन ऑन द ग्राउंड ओनली. ओके, सो ट्री का शैडो इज बीइंग कास्ट ऑन द ग्राउंड. सो लेट अस कंसिडर द ग्राउंड एंड आई एम कंसिडरिंग द शैडो इज फॉलिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लाइक दिस. Okay, now what is the length of the shadow? We don't know. What is the height of the tree? We don't know. So we are considering some tree that is casting a shadow on the ground. Now let's say this is the shadow. Okay, let us consider some point P over here. Okay, so the shadow is this much long, from here to here, this much long is the shadow. We don't know the length of the shadow. Okay, so let it be x. We don't know the height of the tree, so let the height of the tree be h. Now ट्री का शैडो गिर रहा है ऑन द ग्राउंड. जो साइड पे शैडो होता है उसके ऑपोजिट साइड पे देयर इज सन, बिकॉज लाइट इज ऑन वन साइड एंड द शैडो इज कास्ट ऑन द अदर साइड. ऑलवेज कीप दैट इन माइंड. If you are keeping some object and there is light falling from here, then the shadow will fall on the other part. Okay, so shadow is on one side and the light source is on the other side. Now where will the sun be? Now there is a hint given over here. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. So we will not consider an actual tree, we will not draw an actual tree. Let AB be the tree. Okay, this AB is the tree over here. It is having some height h. उसका shadow, this is going to be perpendicular because tree is straight perpendicular to the ground. Okay, that is what we are considering. Now this is the ground and यहाँ पे shadow fall हो रहा है. So let BP be the shadow. Okay, this is the length of the shadow of the tree, which is this much long. So the length of the shadow, let it be BP, which is x. Now this is the line of sight, correct? This is the height, this is the distance, this is the line of sight. Now this is the angle of elevation. Okay, this is going to be the angle of elevation theta. Sun, where will the sun be? Sun is along the line of sight. It is somewhere over here. Okay, here somewhere. So line of sight को extend करो तो sun is here somewhere. But angle क्या हो रहा है? यही angle आ रहा है. ठीक है? So angle of elevation, यहाँ से देखो तो there is sun somewhere over here. Okay, you can extend the line, the angle is going to be same. Okay, sun can be here. Now there is sun somewhere over here along the line of sight. So angle of elevation you need to find. Angle of elevation of sun मतलब क्या? Angle of elevation of this top of the tree. Top से shadow गिरेगा. Sun will be somewhere over here. Its light is falling and it is casting a shadow on the ground. Okay, so this top of the tree उसको extend करे, ये line को straight extend करे तो sun is somewhere over here. Okay, we just need to know the angle. Okay, we don't need to know the distance of the sun. We don't have to find that. We have to find the angle. So angle of elevation is nothing but angle of elevation with the top of the tree. Simple. Angle of elevation with the top of the tree. क्योंकि top part से ही shadow गिरेगा. Okay, इतना पार्ट का शैडो नहीं गिरेगा, सिर्फ यहाँ से टॉप पार्ट से शैडो गिरेगा. यहाँ से ये पूरा जो ट्री का हाइट है उसका पूरा शैडो यहाँ पे गिरेगा. ओके, नाउ सो वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस एंगल. डू वी नो द हाइट? नो. डू वी नो द शैडो का लेंथ? नो. but we are given something over here. Height of the tree is h. Is matlab is equal to root 3 times means into root 3 times the length of its shadow. Length of the shadow we have considered x. So h is equal to root 3x. So in place of h I can consider root 3x. ठीक है. Now theta find करना है. Now I have already told you in earlier video, the part where I explained, I gave an introduction to heights and distances, that tan theta, okay, tan theta is the opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so even if you don't remember this, theta find karna hai, and we are given this and this, height and the shadow. Now sine, cos or tan, what will you use to find the theta? You know this, theta ka opposite we know opposite, and we know theta ka adjacent. Okay, we are not given the hypotenuse, we are given the adjacent. So adjacent pata hai. When will you consider opposite and adjacent? In sine, cos or tan? Try to recall. Sine is, cos is, and tan is so kah tova. Okay, or outstanding Ritik and is outstanding Amisha. That is how you can remember. So opposite upon adjacent. Okay, opposite is root 3x. Tan theta will be opposite upon adjacent, that is opposite is root 3x, adjacent is x. X cancel ho jayega, it is equal to root 3. When is tan theta equal to root 3? Check the standard value table. Standard value ka table you need to memorize. Tan theta is root 3 when theta is 60. Okay, so if you check the table, standard value table, tan 60 is equal to root 3. So therefore theta is equal to 60. Tan theta is root 3 and tan 60 is root 3. Therefore tan theta is equal to tan 60. Therefore theta is equal to 60. Okay, so angle of elevation, that is theta, will be 60 degrees. Okay, so it's very easy. Now let us write down the answer with proper statements. So there is this tree AB, there is its shadow BP, okay, and APB is the angle of elevation theta. Okay, and there is sun over here along the line of sight. Okay, along the line of sight anywhere you can draw over here. Now let us write down the statement. Let AB be the tree, okay, of height h. Meters. Now we don't know the unit, okay, I'm just assuming meters. Now BP is the shadow. Let BP be the shadow cast on the ground by the tree. Now we'll assume the shadow ka length to be x. Let the length of the shadow be x. Again in meters, okay. Tree, we'll normally consider the height in meters, okay, you don't consider in centimeters. Tree hai, so height will be there, okay, there is some height, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters. Now this is the length of the shadow. Now we are given the relation between the height and shadow, so we'll just write down according to given condition. Height of the tree, okay, h, is equal to root 3 times, that is root 3 into x. So h is equal to root 3x. Now we know this is root 3x. Okay. Now theta is also there. So let theta be the angle of elevation. Let theta be the angle of elevation of the sun. Okay. So angle of elevation of sun matlab basically it is the angle up to the top of the tree. Okay. It is the same thing. Alright. Sun यहाँ पे है, वो पूरा ट्री का shadow cast करेगा यहाँ पे. So sun will lie along this line of sight. Okay. Now theta we need to find. Now theta के लिए we'll consider tan theta because theta का opposite side we know and adjacent side we know, and opposite and adjacent come in tan theta. Okay. So tan theta is AB upon BP. So in triangle APB, angle APB is equal to theta. Now tan theta is equal to, tan is what? We know, so, ka, to, what? So it is opposite upon adjacent. So it will be AB upon BP. AB is H, BP is X. Now H is root 3x upon x, x gets cancelled, we are left with root 3. Now tan 60, just write down, but tan 60 is equal to root 3. Look at the standard value table. So therefore I can say tan theta is equal to tan 60. Tan theta is also equal to root 3, tan 60 is also equal to root 3. मतलब tan theta is equal to tan 60. RHS equal है तो LHS भी equal होगा. So therefore theta is equal to 60 degrees. You never say tan gets cancelled. Please don't actually cancel this. Please don't do that, students. Okay? You don't cancel out. This just means that theta is equal to 60. Okay? Because tan of both the angles is equal. matlab angle is basically equal. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. Write down the final statement. The angle of elevation of the sun is 60 degrees. Coming to question number 2. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground and at a distance of 160 meters from its foot is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. There is a tower. Okay. So let AB be the tower. Now, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground and at a distance of 160 meters from its foot is found to be 60 degrees. So, angle of elevation is given as 60 degrees. Now, this tower is perpendicular to the ground. This is the ground and this is the tower. It is perpendicular. There is a point on the ground. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower, okay, from a point on the ground. So let there be some point on the ground, okay, C. So from a point, you are seeing the top of the tower, okay. So this line of sight and this horizontal make an angle, that is angle of elevation, which is 60 degrees. Okay, so from a point on the ground, you are looking at the top of the tower and the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Now, there is one more information given, the distance of 160 meters from its foot. So, the distance of the point, okay, on the ground from the foot of the tower. So, foot of the tower is B, okay, this is the bottom of the tower. So, foot of the tower, say, there is a point on the ground and what is the distance of this? It is 160 meter. So you are given a point on the ground and at a distance of 160 meter from its foot. So 160 meter is the distance. We have to find the height of the tower. It's very easy again. Theta we know. Now which trigonometric value to use, which trigonometric ratio to use? Sine, cos, tan, which one? Look over here. We know angle का opposite side, so opposite we know. What else do we know? We know angle का adjacent. We are not given the hypotenuse, we are given the adjacent. Angle का neighboring side. So adjacent. Where is opposite and adjacent over here? In TOA, that is tan. So tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. We know theta, we know adjacent, we can easily find the opposite side. Okay, so it's very easy. First we'll write down the statement and then we'll start solving. Okay, now AB is the tower, C is the point from which we are observing the top of the tower. So AB is the tower and C is the point from which the top of the tower is forming angle of elevation. Okay, यहाँ से angle of elevation form हो रहा है. Okay, so AB is the tower. Now also we are given the distance of the point from the foot of the tower. So BC is the distance of point C from foot of the tower. So therefore BC is equal to 160 meters. And let the height of the tower be h. So let the height of tower AB be equal to h meters. Now opposite पता है, adjacent पता है, so we'll use TOA. Okay, that is opposite upon adjacent will give you tan theta. So in triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees. Don't forget to put right angle over here. In right angle triangle only we apply trigonometric ratios. So ACB is 60 degrees. Now tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is H. Adjacent is BC. Okay, so just write down. It is opposite, that is AB, upon adjacent, that is BC. So it is H upon 160. Now tan 60 is what? Look at the standard value wala table. If you look at the standard value wala table, it is root 3. So root 3 is equal to H upon 160. So if I shift 160 over here, root 3 into 160 is equal to H. So H is equal to 160 root 3. Now you cannot keep root as it is. You need to substitute the value. You need to know the value of root 2 root 3. Okay, it's very easy. Root 2 का 1.414 है and root 3 का 1.732 है. So remember up to 3 decimal place. Multiply this 160 into 1.732. So this will be 277.12 meters. Okay. Just solve and you will get the answer. So the height of the tower is 277.12 meters. Write down the final statement and box the answer. Let's read the next question. Question number 3. A ladder is placed along a wall such that its upper end is resting against a vertical wall. The foot of the ladder is 2.4 meters from the wall and the ladder is making an angle of 68 degrees with the ground. Find the height up to which the ladder reaches. There is a wall, there is a ladder. Okay, so there is a wall which is obviously going to remain as it is. Ladder को हम लोग certain angle पे adjust कर रहे हैं. Now there is a wall, let's say A, B. Okay, दिस इज द ग्राउंड, लेट दिस बी द ग्राउंड. सो ये वॉल है, ये पूरा ग्राउंड है. नाउ वी आर टेकिंग अ लैडर, that is a CD, okay, to climb. Now the ladder is placed along the wall such that its upper end is resting against a vertical wall. So we are taking a ladder and we are placing it in such a way that it is taking the support of the wall, okay, it is resting on the wall. So we are taking this ladder and we are placing it from the ground like this, okay, at an angle. We are going to place the ladder at an angle, okay, and we are going to take the support of this wall. The foot of the ladder is 2.4 meter from the wall. The foot of the ladder will be on the ground only, okay, it is going to touch the ground. So foot of the ladder is 2.4 meter from the wall. So wall के bottom से इसका bottom is 2.4 meters, okay. So the point where ladder touches the ground, let it be C, okay. Now the foot of the ladder is 2.4 meter from the wall and the ladder is making an angle of 68 degrees with the ground. Ladder is making an angle 68 degrees with the ground. ये ladder है, ये ground है. So ये ground and ये ladder के बीच का angle is 68 degrees. So angle of elevation we are given, okay. Find the height up to which the ladder reaches. Now the ladder is not reaching the top of the wall, okay, the top of the wall is A. This is the top of the wall. It is not reaching the top of the wall, it is reaching up to certain height. So let it, reach up to point, let's say D. Alright, so AB is the wall, C is the point where ladder touches the ground, and CD is the length of the ladder. We have to find the height up to which the ladder reaches. The height up to which the ladder reaches, okay, let it be D. So DB we need to find. Iska height, not the height of the wall, the height up to which the ladder reaches. Now over here you must be thinking there are 2 points where the ladder is touching, but practically if you go to see if this is the wall, let's say this whiteboard is the wall and this is the ladder, my hand is a ladder. If you're placing the ladder like this, so ladder is going to touch this level. So this level where my hand is touching, this level we are taking as D, okay. So this level is D. यहाँ पे 2 points आ रहा है because we are observing like this, but ladder will be placed like this, okay. So when you place the ladder like this, it will reach this level D, okay. So this यहाँ से लेके bottom of the ladder तक का height find करना है, bottom of the wall तक का height find करना है, okay. So यहाँ पे there are 2 points, so don't get confused. Consider the ladder to be one straight line, and AB, this is the wall, this is the ladder, and this is the distance of the ladder from the distance of the bottom of the ladder from the bottom of the wall. This is a right angle triangle because this is the vertical wall. This angle is 68 degrees, okay. This is the angle of elevation. So we know this, we need to find this, okay, जहाँ पे टच कर रहा है. So this is D basically, not A. A तो यहाँ पे ऊपर में है. So DCB में we need to find DB. इसका height find करना है. Again there is an angle, there is adjacent side given, opposite side find करना है. So in this triangle, let's not consider point A. In this triangle, angle का opposite side and adjacent side, उसका relation चाहिए. When are opposite and adjacent related? Sine, cos, tan. Try to recall. So, ka, to, wa. Opposite and adjacent come in tan. So, tan theta will give you opposite upon adjacent. Okay. We know adjacent, we know theta, we can easily find the opposite side. Okay. So, now let us start solving. Now you need to write some statements. Let AB be the vertical wall, AB is the wall, and CD is the ladder, okay. So CD is the ladder, BD is the height up to which the ladder reaches. So BD is the height जहाँ तक लैडर पहुँच रहा है. It is not reaching up to this height, it is reaching up to this height. So BD is the height up to which the ladder reaches. Now let BD be equal to h meters. Okay, BD is h. We are assuming the height because we have to find this height up to which the ladder reaches. So let it be h. And BC, that is the foot of the wall and the foot of the ladder, दोनों के बीच का distance is 2.4 meters. That is given to us. Angle DCB is equal to 68 degrees. That is the angle of elevation is given. Now we need to find the height up to which the ladder reaches. So for that we'll consider this triangle DCB. So in triangle DCB, angle DCB is 68 degrees. It is a right angle triangle. You should make sure it is a right angle triangle, only then you can use trigonometric ratios. So this is a right angle triangle. Vertical wall है and ground है. Wall and ground के बीच का angle is 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle and triangle DCB. Now tan 68 will be, tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. Angle का opposite side is DB. Okay, we are going to consider this triangle. So इसको भूल जाओ. In this triangle, opposite side is DB or BD, and BC is the adjacent side. Angle का दो adjacent sides है, एक hypotenuse है. Hypotenuse नहीं consider करना. We are going to consider the other side as adjacent. So this is the adjacent side. BD is h. BC is 2.4. Now tan 68 you will get from the table, natural tangent का table. Okay, so how to read the value? For that I have attached the link in the description. Please check that out if you don't know. So refer to that video. Tan 68 का value find out करो from natural tangent table and substitute that value over here. Okay, so tan 68 का value we'll substitute. So from the table you get 2.4751. Okay, tan 68 is 2.4751. It is equal to h upon 2.4. So we'll shift 2.4 over here. So 2.4751 into 2.4 is equal to h. So multiply this. 5.94024 is equal to h. So therefore h is equal to 5.94024. Round it off to do decimal place. So it will be 5.94. Okay, 4 के बाद 0 है. So you won't add anything over here. If there is 5 or greater than 5, then you add 1 to this. So there is 0. So there's no need to add. So rounding off we get 5.94 meters approximately. So just write down the final statement. The height up to which the ladder reaches. The height up to which the ladder reaches. Ladder यहाँ तक पहुँच रहा है. So ये height is 5.94 meters.